So I thought we'd start this vlog on the Friday night before the auction, when I'm going through all of the questionnaires from my clients, going through all their listings in great detail on the internet, checking comparable sales, house stats, like 90% of owner-occupiers live in the street, just getting my head around any facts and figures, information that I can give during the auction spiel. If there's any sort of downtimes that I need to sort of fill in a few seconds of talking. I like to be quite knowledgeable, just going through everything that the agent has provided to me as well in regards to pricing, and just getting everything ready. So I prepare this the night before, which has everything about the property and the settlement terms, the price range that it's been advertised for, any specifications about land size, and any increase in value that I've been able to get the data from. And yeah, I have it all ready so that it is ready to go tomorrow. So this morning I had an auction in Elstonwick that the agent rang me a few days ago and said that besides a few neighbours, no real genuine buyers had been through the property. So what was he to do? And we talked about a few strategies. One being that we do what we did last week with a couple of the auctions, and that's postpone it just to give it a little bit of extra time, on the proviso that we changed a few of the parameters, i.e. the price range. We had to look at that, and also the marketing. So we did both those things, and in the past 3 days the property generated 300 more internet inspections on realestate.com alone. So I'm keen to find out how that translated to people through the door today at his open for inspection. And then I have an auction in Endeavour Hills this afternoon, so hopefully that's a good one.
Afternoon to you folks, and a very warm welcome here to number 54 Joseph Franks, present here in Endeavour Hills. Who wants to buy it? You tell me now. You've seen it, you've loved it, now it's your time to shine. Where do we go now, folks?
900, 920, 940,
50, 50, 60 from you, sir.
960,
975, 980, going straight back, showing his strength there. And the instructions, Mo. We're on the market and we sell. No second chance for 54 Joseph Banks, present here in Endeavour Hills. This is it. This is your moment. This is your time to shine.
You take one, Alisha?
Of course I will, Mo. We're on the market and selling.
982, 83,
3. Welcome to you, sir. And 4.
85,
5. There you go.
86.
And 6. Straight back. Already got the strategy here. Ones aren't working. Maybe go 5 there, Ben.
88,
88. Good number.
990,
988 and 90. 990,000.
992,
2 even better. At 992. 995 from you perhaps.
993,
993. Another one on top.
995, Alisha.
995. Like it. It's keeping in the 2s.
996,
996 and selling. Need to know your rebuttal now, sir. Do we go 998 now? 998?
998.
Yes, got it. 998.
1 million.
And even better! Crack the million. There we go. Give it a round of applause. So at $1 million, looks like we've got our new owner. Get ready to get excited, sir. In 3, 2, 1. Are we sure we're done? Yep. Thank you, sir. We are, hands together now, folks, sold. Congratulations. Well bid, well bought, sir. Great bidding from start to finish. Sold! Sold, 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 sold! What a ripper auction. Such a great result. 5 bidders, and an amazing price for that property. So, yay!
Hi, Alisha.
Hi, any luck today?
Okay.
Okay, good. All right, I've got all my fingers and toes and arms crossed for you, so good luck. All right, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care, bye. So it's the end of the day and I'm just putting together all my end of day data. I'm also going to make this vlog very realistic because I have one of these and one of these. And being a mum of two means that I am really having to manage my time very, very well. So what I'm doing right now is also some emails that need to go out next week. I like to have them all prepared and scheduled, ready to send come Monday morning, so that if I'm completely busy with the kids or something happens or someone gets sick, all my work emails are still going out and I'm not behind, so that my clients know that I am there for them and rearing to go for next weekend's auctions coming up. So I also just got a really lovely text message that just says, "Thank you for your amazing work. You're always so wonderful, so gorgeous." I will reply to that shortly. But I also realized when I got home and I was looking at the footage that I have had this camera set on an incorrect setting. So everything from today was blown out. But not only that, when I got to the auction, I realized that I didn't have the attachment that I needed to attach the camera to myself. So I had to sort of rig up a different way of doing it so that I could get the footage. And it was quite interesting to see that the camera was then tilted at a completely incorrect angle where it was looking up at the sky, and that meant that everything was overexposed. So next week we are going to get it right in camera first time. Live and learn, but as I said, we're going to be really realistic and honest on this vlog as to how things go, both on the streets and behind the scenes. See you next week.